Hello, this is YD from 1 Minute Skill, and today we are going to make a review on HP monitor, which is M27F. I have been using this monitor for about 3 months now, so let's go and find out what is inside. You should buy or you shouldn't buy this monitor. Before we proceed, do not forget to subscribe on this channel and also like and comment on this video for what you will see. As you know, HP has been releasing some incredible products, and the HP M27F is the one of the thin and incredible monitors which has a good look. The screen size is 27-inch with resolution of 1080. This monitor display is IPS LED with anti-glare and backlight. The brightness of the screen is good for view in the light with 360 nit. The dynamic contrast is 1,000,000 by 1. The monitor screen is far way more better to use in gaming than a TV screen with 1080 resolution. Both VGA and HDMI ports are available in this monitor, so you can connect to different kind of laptops, desktop and MacBooks. Apart from incredible properties on this monitor, the monitor itself do not build with speakers or audio output, so you have to connect with external audio device, either speaker or computer. Another thing is the monitor does not offer height adjustment, so you have to adjust your chair in order to get the height that you want. Only offer tilt angle adjustment. The control buttons are at the bottom right of the screen, which make the screen to look incredible nice, but you have to guess which button to press in order to make the control setting of the monitor. Before we proceed to my recommendation, please do not forget to subscribe in this channel and like. Since I have been using this monitor for about 3 months now, mostly for audio editing and watching movie, this monitor is quietly good and has sharp image. I'm recommending this monitor to such kind of works, but if you have the heavy duty work such as video editing which involve high quality video such as 4K, this monitor is not good for you. You should go to monitor 27-inch with resolution of 1440. Also, if you do professionally gaming works, this monitor is not good for you. You should find the monitor which has 2K or which can support 4K videos. If you compare the sharpness of this monitor with 24-inch screen with the same resolution of 1080, the 24-inch screen is quite good and has sharp image. So if you are not prefer the larger screen, it's better to go on the 24-inch screen but with the same resolution of 1080. Thanks for watching, and just leave your comment below. What should I review in the coming